Hello, beautiful people of the whole universe. How are you today, guys? I hope lahat tayo ay nasa safe na kalagayan pa rin as we continue to spend our time in our home with the general community quarantine. And this time, para hindi tayo maboard, gagawa tayo ng yogurt using our Bear Brand powdered milk. And also as our starter, our Nestle yogurt. Today we will use creamy yogurt. Maraming mga yogurt ang Nestle, meron silang flavored. At gagawa rin tayo ng video kung paano tayo magkaroon ng flavored yogurt. So this time, ito lang ang gagamitin natin, guys. Walang kahirap-hirap. So let's start pouring in our hot or lukewarm water in our pan. Today gagawa tayo ng 6 glasses of milk para sa aking 6 persons in the family. So another 3. That makes it 6. And there you go with our water. And now let's start adding our 350 grams Bear Brand milk powder. And let's give it a good stir. So now let's boil our milk on a very low heat. Huwag natin siyang masyadong lakasan dahil masusunog ang milk. Let's be alert sa pagbabantay sa ating milk para hindi siya masunog sa ilalim. Stirring occasionally habang pinapakulo natin siya. Yan. Bantayan natin siya na mabuti para hindi siya sobrang boil. So guys, we're on the next phase of our yogurt making. So the milk is no longer very hot, not so hot, not cold, mainit-init lang. So ito yung ating ihahalo na yogurt. Let's mix this one very well. And then, the milk na pinakulo natin, ay nagkaroon ng ito. So, alisin na natin ito. So, let's add in now our let's give it a good stir. Pwede natin siya i-blender kung gusto niyo para mahalo na mabuti yung yogurt. Pero as we can see, pag matunaw na, wala na mga small bits na siya na nag-incorporate na yung so now that we have combined all the ingredients, the milk, the yogurt, and this hot water, we'll let this one cool down. And then after it cools down, we'll start putting this mixture into our clean jars. And then we'll wrap this one in thick towel and place this one in a bucket or in an ice box. And after 8 hours, voila! We have our yogurt. Surprise! This is yogurt. Latsa yogurt. So from now on, you will no longer be buying yogurt, expensive yogurt anymore because you know how to make yogurt. So guys, look at our yogurt. These are the yields, and mind you guys, this is much thicker than the commercial that we bought. For these two yogurt, I was able to produce this much. One big jar, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so this is how we put flavor with our yogurt. A slice of lemon, place it there so that the aroma of the lemon will incorporate to your yogurt. And then put the lid back. And then wipe with clean towel. And then time to be placed in the fridge. Stir, stir, stir. And lemon will remove the taste like rotten milk or yung lasang parang amoy panis. Tatanggalin ng lemon and ilalagay niya sa perfect consistency ang iyong yogurt. Stir, stir, stir. Mix your yogurt well. Meron akong anak na ayaw sa matabang na yogurt, so I will put 2 teaspoons of sugar in this para sweet lemon flavor. Brown sugar lang para healthy. Organic brown sugar or just any brown sugar that you can buy in the market. So guys, this is our most beautiful yogurt. I made this one a lemon flavor, my ever favorite flavor among the yogurts. This is a very yummy yogurt. This is much better than what we can buy in the grocery. Look at guys the thickness of our yogurt. The thickness and the creaminess and the flavor, so heavenly. I used lemon. This is unsweetened. If my children wants it sweet, they can add sweetener on it or sweet fruit. So yummy, guys. From now on, I will no longer be buying yogurt in the market because I can make my yogurt even better. The richness of the milk, the thickness. So there goes our yogurt making. I hope you like our recipe today. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to hit like and share and subscribe buttons, and click also the notification bell so that you'll always be notified if we have new uploads. God bless you guys. Stay healthy. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.